it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a Lawn Fawn haul from the latest release. I did pick up a few goodies from that, so I thought I'd share them with you before I repackage them and get them all organized and put away. So I'm going to set these off to the side and go through them one by one. I did order all of these products from Lawn Fawn directly. So the first thing I got was 3 pieces of pattern paper that they put in my box. They always do this. So it's a nice little treat there. And I'm especially happy about the bokeh paper from the Snow Day remix. This is one of my absolute favorite patterns to use at Christmas. It's so pretty. It just looks like a beautiful soft snowfall. So I'll definitely be reusing that. They also always send you a little free stamp set, and so this is the one that I got this time. It says love you lots, and then it has a separate tiny heart. Super cute, and then a little note from Debbie to thank me for my order. I also got the free stamp set. I believe this was free with a $60 purchase, and this is called Long Distance Hugs, which is really sweet. I love the different sizes of the fonts and also the different styles. So that'll be super fun to use on cards, especially for some of my family members that live in Germany far away. So then the next thing that I got was the adorable little dragon. I absolutely love him. He's so cute. May your day be filled with adventure. I think that's a really sweet sentiment and goes really well with him. He's also got a little fire that he can breathe so that he can be lighting his own candle on the little cake. And you have the candle both in the lit and unlit versions. And there's even some little clouds of smoke there. Super, super cute. I love how much they packed into this tiny little mini. And of course I did pick up the matching dies. I also got the other mini. I think this was the only other mini release this summer release. It's the tiny fairy tale, and it's got these 4 adorable fairy tale characters. You've got a tiny little ribbit for the frog prince, and have a magical day. There's some little sparkle marks and a sentiment that says turn here for magic. So this would go really well with the reveal wheels. And then I did get the matching dies. And then the next set that I got was the full-size set. This one is called Crazy Antics. I think this was probably my favorite. I don't know. I have such a hard time picking a favorite every release because there's just too many adorable ones to really choose. But this one is so sweet. I love the little mice and their picnic setup. They've got all these little food items, and then of course the adorable ants in 2 sizes. So you've got the larger ones here, and then you've got the teeny tiny ones here. And I did use this on a card already. So this is the card that I made using that stamp set. Super, super cute. And I added the tiny ants on the outside. And then on the inside, I added the larger ones. So that video is up on my channel already. If you've missed it, you can check it out. And I will link it in the cards right here. And I did pick up the matching dies, but I had to use them already to make that card. So that's why they're no longer in their original packaging. So I'll be transferring all of this into the stamp pockets that I use after this video. The next one that I got is another one of my favorites. This is the Ocean's Shelfie. Love, love, love this set so much. So, so cute. And I did use this one already as well on my reveal wheel, no, sorry, Magic Iris camera thing, which also has a video already. So you just pull the tab there and it reveals the cute little ocean scene, which I colored with Copics. And then just pull that back up to close it. And then I used a lot more images on the inside. There's not a whole lot of room to write a message, but that's okay. You can always use the back. Sometimes I do that as well. So I got that and the matching dies, which I did not use yet since I just stamped and colored the scene right on the paper. And the next set that I got was the Unicorn Picnic, which is super, super creative and fun. This is probably the set that I'll be using next later this week. Absolutely love it. The little unicorn from A Little Sparkle is one of my favorite Lawn Fawn images, so she will fit perfectly with these guys. And then of course I did get the matching dies. I love this big cloud, so you can really set a little scene, and then they've got their little sundae bar going on. So fun. And there's also more of the little fairies, just like in the A Little Sparkle mini. So there's that. Those were all the stamp sets that I got from this release, but I did get a bunch of dies. The Magic Iris camera add-on, which I just showed you that card previously. And then a few weeks later, some of this stuff I've had for a little while, I did get the Magic Iris camera pull tab add-on. That's a mouthful. So you can make like kind of like a, is it called Instax? That you can like pull up from the top of the camera. It like pulls up from there with using the Let's Toast pull tab. I believe that's the die's name. So that'll be fun. And also I really like that this has the little ring that you can use. So this is a full cut line, so you can also just get the border there, which kind of was missing on this. So I thought it would look a little bit more complete if I would have had that on there, but I didn't have it at the time that I made this card. So there's those. And then of course I had to get the Build a Castle die, because that will go perfectly with those little tiny fairy tale people, and also with the new mini dragon. So can't wait to play with this. That's going to be a lot of fun. And then also I got the stitched rainbow, which is really, really cute. I love the stitching detail that you have. So you've got the larger piece here, and then you've got the separate little bows that you can glue down over top, so it all fits nicely together. And then you've got the cute little clouds with their faces, which you can leave in, or you can remove those if you prefer. So fun. And then the last die that I got was the large slimline with sliders. So that way I can start making some more slimline cards. Actually, I didn't grab it, but hold on one second. So this is the first slimline card that I ever made. This is using the Mama Elephant Slim Card Basics dies. And I had a lot of fun creating this card. So I thought it would be fun to have the Lawn Fawn version as well, because you get some different size inlays. You also get these slider pieces, which will be fun to do some different things with. And then I did also order the what are they called? Like the little borders that go with this. But I ordered them from Butterfly Reflections Inc. just like yesterday, I think. So they haven't come yet, but I did get those as well. The last thing I got from Lawn Fawn was this ruler. This is a 12-inch ruler, and I kept hearing really good things about this because it's got all of these little measurements there that you can use if you need to get really specific with your sizes. It kind of takes all the guesswork out for you by adding those. Can you see them? So I thought that would be fun to have, because it also even though it goes 1 through 12 on this side, on the bottom it actually starts at 0 and goes out. So you could find the center of your card really easily and then measure out from that as much as you need to, even to the tiniest increment. So I thought that would be really good to have. I don't have any kind of ruler like that. And I really like the You Are Awesome Beyond Measure that they put down in the center. I thought that's really cool. So that is all that I purchased from Lawn Fawn. I do have another haul that I thought I would do separately since it contains some bigger items. So I just didn't want this one to get too long, and I know a lot of you are really interested in Lawn Fawn, so I thought I would just keep all the other stuff separate. But I hope you guys enjoyed this and seeing all the little stamp sets and everything up close and in person. Let me know down in the comments which sets you're most excited about, and hopefully I can feature them soon on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.